Hello guys, and welcome to a brand new country. I am here in Albania. I'm in the capital, Tirana, and behind me you can see a structure that is called the Pyramid. I guess you can understand why that is. It's built in the 80s, if I understood well, and now it's a conference center. Let's have a look at the top for a view over the city. It's just my first day here in Tirana, and actually it's very modern. I didn't really have an idea of what to expect of this country. It's like in Europe, but not in the European Union. One thing I can tell you, it is very, very hot here. It's full sun, and it's about 33, 34 degrees. And we're just at the start of the day, so it's even getting hotter. And here we are at the stairs. Let's go all the way up there. Wow, look at that blue sky. It's like a stairway to heaven. I think I'm gonna be sweating when we arrive on the top. Okay guys, we're coming at the top here. Let's have a look how Tirana looks from this viewpoint. We have some more modern buildings, and there's also the National Stadium. We have some smaller mountains. It's very green. Have a look on this side. Especially here it looks very green. We have some modern skyscraper there, and with some churches, I think. It could be mosques as well, but I think I see a cross. And on this side we see some higher mountains. Wow. Oh, there's a mosque behind that building. I think this is really a good starting point to visit the city. Like, you can have a little overview of how the city looks from the sky. And from where my hotel was located, this was also like the first point to stop. And down here we have some glass, and we can actually look inside the building. I have a little fear of heights, so I don't think I will climb on it. Okay, maybe we can try it. There. I hope this won't break. What comes up must come down, so walking down the stairs, but a little breeze now feels so good, especially for my longer hair. I'll need this today if I have to explore Tirana in this weather. Well, I'm not complaining, guys. I like sun on my skin. I love good weather. I don't like wearing too many clothes. I like to be out in the t-shirt and in my shorts. But it's hot. I am now walking on one of the main boulevards here in Tirana. This boulevard has been built by the Italians in the 1930s, and it's said to be based on the Champs-Élysées in Paris. It's a very wide boulevard. Like, we have the pedestrian area at the other side. We have a lot of lanes, like 5 or 6 lanes. We have a double cycling lane. We have this side here. Like, it's very wide, and you can walk in the shade under these beautiful trees. I absolutely love those trees. Here we can see this street has been pedestrianized, so Tirana is really a car city, but improvements are happening, I've been told. And here as well, we have a lot of space for the pedestrians. A local bus passing by, and we can also see the interesting architecture. It's really a mix of everything. Here we have the Albanian flag and the European flag. Look how bright red that Albanian flag is. I can really feel it's like a mix of Mediterranean and also some communist, ex-communist buildings. I think if you come back here in 10 years, that a lot will have changed. You can already see it here. We have this church there, and right behind it we have this skyscraper, this modern skyscraper. We're going to cross the street here to go to the, I think this is the Skanderbeg Square, like the main square here in Tirana. Let's see. Apparently we're not allowed to go here, but wow, look at that, guys. That's a real boulevard. We have this little heart here where people are posing. You are happy, you are in Tirana. They're right. I am happy and I am in Tirana, and it's because I'm in Tirana. We are arriving on the main square here in Tirana. Look at this, guys, what a massive square. Here we have the hero Skanderbeg, who fought the Ottomans. He's like a national hero here in Albania. We can see the little mosque behind it. There we have the mountains. We have a huge flag of Albania and the opera. Wow, that's quite impressive building. And here we have some more modern buildings. And there we can see something very communist, I would say, even Soviet style. Look at this building. Look at this image here on the top of the building. That's impressive. There's like so much going on. We have these two heroes, a man and a woman, one waving the Albanian flag and the woman is holding a gun. And you have all these fascinating figures right next to it. You have like a guy with a bow, you have all types of people. That's a very impressive mosaic. This is the hero, guys, Skanderbeg. And here we have the Albanian flag waving right next to the mosque. Wow, and here behind the trees we can see the old clock tower. Let's have a look if we can climb up this tower. It's like in the middle of some new skyscrapers that they're building here. I can see a little entrance. Let's have a look if there are some stairs. I think I saw some people up there, so it should be possible. Hello?
Hello.
Can you just go up?
It's 200 like per person.
200?
Yeah. Here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Where are you from?
Belgium. Where's the elevator? Okay, thank you.
See you later.
Many people up there?
Right now, no.
No, just me?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, the last one, because I'm going to close it.
Oh, okay, I'm lucky. Okay, guys, almost up the stairs here. What a nice little climb. And here, let's check out the view. Wow. Here we can see the Skanderbeg Square. We have the mosque here. Wow, guys, what a magnificent view. And I'm lucky because the guy said that I'm like the last one that he's letting up here. And because he's almost closing, I'm all alone here. I feel like it's my lucky day. Ooh. Let's go down again because the guy is waiting for us to close here. The clock tower. This street is called after the former USA President George W. Bush. He visited Albania as the first American president in 2007. And I guess he's still the only president who has been here so far. But that was something very important for Albania, that they were recognized by an American president, and that's why they named this boulevard after him. I came across a very cute but probably also very old little bridge. Check this out, it's probably more visible from the side. They're not really using it anymore because most people are just walking there along the road, but I think it's pretty cool. You're still allowed to cross it. And this is the side view from the bridge. There's a little river under there, but it's actually not even visible. We are now in the pedestrian street here in the center of Tirana. And behind me is the castle. This is the old castle of Tirana, but they have reformed it to some kind of more commercial center with restaurants and little shops. Let's go and have a look inside. Alright guys, what's this? So let me take a selfie. We're here at the entrance of the castle. Let's check this out. A selfie in Albania. Okay. With coin of 100. What's here? Oh. I have to go really low here. Let's see how the picture looks. Yay! This is how the picture turned out, guys. We have these tourists behind me. Now let's have a quick look inside the castle here. We have a lot of bars here, I see. Quite fancy. I think it's a place where the people come in the weekend, spend some money on food together with friends, and I guess there are a lot of tourists here as well. We also have a lot of souvenir shops selling some popcorn. What's this, guys? Cowboy Candy shop. We have a cowboy here, we have a cactus. Hello! Why is it called cowboy?
What about the design?
Are there many shops like this?
Yes, it has many shops.
In Albania or?
In Albania, Kosovo.
You can mix everything?
Everything has the same price.
Let's take some candies, guys. One of these. Ooh, let's take some of these. Some Coca-Cola here. Alright guys, we have here the Cowboy Candy shop candies. Real Albanian candies. Let's see what we got here. Let's start with this one. We have what looks like a little tennis ball. I've never seen a candy like that. Let's try it. Oh! Ooh! Wow, it's so hard. Looks like this. It's like white with sugar inside. It's very chewy. Almost like a chewing gum inside. I'm very confused now, guys. I'm not sure if this is a chewing gum or not in my mouth. Seems to be like a chewing gum, but it also feels like it's melting. So I'm confused if I can swallow it or not. Let's have a look what more we have here. It looks like a little watermelon, I think. I'm not sure. Let's try it. Guys, it's exactly the same as the previous one. Okay, third try, guys. Maybe I'll have a look now what I take. No, this one. I like it. The long one. Of course, I know this one. Like sweet and sour at the same time. I love it. These are quite addictive. If I buy a full package, I will eat them all at once. Just can't stop eating them. Let's try one more. The little berry here. Nice and sweet. Alright guys, let's put away the bag and keep it for later. It's getting later, guys. The sun is slowly going down, but look there. Just above the tree you can still see the tower. Now it's behind the tree. Here on the left side we have a beautiful fountain, a nice park. It's a beautiful summer evening here in Tirana. It's pretty cool to see how at the traffic lights you don't only have the traffic light but also the whole pole which is lighting up. Like now it turned green. There is a tower. Let's see if we can go to the top there. It looks like a panoramic view. It's so green here in the center of Tirana. This is a river really in the heart of Tirana, and both sides have plants, have trees, and what a great view. It goes like straight to the mountain, and we have this really special building. I really like how it looks actually. And on the other side exactly the same, and we have the sun burning. Sky Tower. That must be it. Let's have a look inside. Hello. Can go to the top? It's possible to go?
No.
It's closed?
It's closed.
No, restaurant, bar closed. Due to reconstruction, the bar and the restaurant are temporarily closed. That's a pity. Okay guys, I'm walking down the road here. Back to the hotel. Got myself a cup of coffee. It's been a nice day exploring here in Tirana. I'm staying a bit in the outskirts in Hotel Victoria. I'm not sure now. Is that the name? The guys are playing dominoes in the street. Okay guys, let me quickly show you the room. Room 101. Oh, these are my neighbors. Well, this is much nicer. I don't know if you can see it because it's dark, but they have like a bubble bath, jacuzzi. I don't have that. This is my room. I have a mini fridge here, mini bar. The shower, which is, it looks a bit like, almost like a sauna. Here we have a bathroom, toilet. This is the bed. It's very simple, guys. We have a little table. You can see me here. Little table to do some editing on the laptop. And we're in the basement, so we don't really have a big window. We only have this kind of blinded window. And this room is 40 euro per night. And we have this picture here with the lights around it. I don't know. What do you think about it? And of course we have the air conditioning. Very important because it's still really hot here in Albania. So I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to take a little rest and I'll see you guys for the next video in Tirana here in Albania. Thank you guys. And I'll show you the view again. Beautiful.